In this scenario, we'll see the homeowner retrieving his generator from his shop, placing it on his front porch. And right here, we notice the extension cord he's grabbing has 16.3. Now what that means, particularly this number here, 16, is important. That's the gauge of the wire, the extension cord. The smaller the number, the fatter the wire, the more current it can hold. The higher the number, the smaller. In this particular scenario, you're going to find that this is an underrated extension cord. He should have a larger number, like a 14 or preferably even a 12 gauge, not a 16 gauge. We're going to see in just a moment where he hooks these into heaters. Now heaters draw the most amount of current probably of any of the appliances that we're using. Think about toasters, irons, heaters. They're going to draw a lot of current. And for this particular situation, he's going to overload that extension cord, which could be a fire hazard. Most of the ratings on generators are going to support a 15 amp rating. In order to be able to get an extension cord that can carry 15 amps, you're going to need at least a 14 gauge cord, preferably even a 12 gauge. So think about the size of your extension cord when you're connecting your power. One thing the homeowner wants to make sure he does is turn the heaters off before he unplugs the extension cord. What happens in a scenario like this is when the extension cord is plugged into the receptacle and the heaters are turned on, current begins to draw, which tends to grab. And if he were to go to unplug the extension cord from the receptacle while those heaters are on, it's going to want to hold. And as he does so and he forces it, it's going to create an arc right here, trying to keep that current flowing. That can create a hazardous situation. Unplug the heaters or turn the heaters off before you unplug it, then eliminates that dangerous situation. Notice also we have an open window, children in the house. That generator is right on the front porch. That exhaust can be blowing right in through that window.